Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used this app before, click on while using the app in the pop-up. Then select Allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. As you can see, if you wish to rename it, you can hold it. Click on Rename at the top. Type in wherever you wish to and save your changes by hitting OK. To delete it though, hold it again, but this time select Delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my recording was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!